I had something exciting and flabbergasting occur. It was 10 days ago. I received a letter from a manager in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, who had hired me the end of July to do our Retrain Your Brain referral strategies workshop for his entire sales force. That was the end of July. He just reported 2 weeks ago, which would have been the beginning of December 2024, that his company's sales results have increased by 44%. Let me repeat that. 44% increase in sales the 4 months since our workshop the end of July in Pittsburgh. Think about this. Here's an entire group of commissioned salespeople who prior to our workshop thought they were doing the best job humanly possible. Then they had the intervention. The intervention was our workshop, led in this case by me. Day-and-a-half workshop, and then 4 bi-weekly follow-ups. So this group that the end of July thought they were doing the best job humanly possible, all of a sudden found room, if you will, in their sales success to increase their sales by 44%. Think about that for a second. When you have a growth mindset and you make a good choice to attend our workshop and to allow us to help you, think about that. Could you increase your sales 44%? It's a pretty good question, isn't it? We would love to have the opportunity to chat with you, chat with your management group. By the way, the last thing I'll say is our work is guaranteed. So please reach out to us. Allow us to help you. We know how to do it. And oh, by the way, we're the best in the world at it. Please allow us to help you. Thank you. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And if you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and share.